Jamaica. Sounds of Bob Marley and Wailer. Rock steady to this drum and bass, yeah. Roll your waistline in the place, yeah. I see thugs with slugs and marijuana, players with Kim, Suzette and Lana. Big sound string up and blast on the corner. Stay true reggae artist performer. It rise no youth up to riches. We coulda be a gunman, climb over ditches without education. Around the world, them know about Jamaican. To the reggae vibration, so I sing. Well, a reggae music on ya. What? Keep you rocking with your daughter. Well, a reggae music on ya. Keep you rocking with your daughter. Prime Minister, stop for a while and listen this ya. Stop treat reggae music like culture. It's a we culture. I must see you will sing song will give you own stuff. Ignore the facts and reggae in a big league. When you disagree to you, the country you mislead. I try stop crime, you wonder why it proceed. Can't miss the music, look how much man it feel. Well, I reggae music on ya. Keep you rocking with your daughter. Well, I reggae music on ya. Tourism. Jimmy Cliff say many rivers on no row with him. But Marley one love put no flow with him. So the hell you stop dance like you no know rhythm. From Monday to Monday fi be a reggae concert. Shot a kill people is not reggae song earth. Fight you a fight, you put the reggae man first. That's why Jamaica getting worse.